Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll discuss the Lewis structure of SbF5. It's a chemical formula of antimony pentafluoride. And to know its Lewis structure, we will first count the total number of valence electrons. We have one antimony atom having 5 valence electrons and 5 fluorine atoms having 7 valence electrons. Now that gives us a total of 40 valence electrons. For the arrangement of atoms, we will place antimony in the center as it is the less electronegative element and arrange fluorine atoms around it. Then we will place electron pair in between each atom for bond formation. As you can see, fluorine atom needs 6 more electrons for complete outer shell. So let us go ahead and assign 6 electrons to each fluorine atom. Doing that, we have used all our valence electrons, and in this Lewis structure, each atom has complete outer shell and zero formal charge. So this is the final Lewis structure of SbF5. For more such videos, make sure to subscribe our channel and thank you for watching.